If you are struggling to turn off app tracking on iPhone on iOS 18, make sure to watch the video till end. Because in this video, I will show you the fastest way to do that. So guys, first of all, you'll have to open the settings of your iPhone, and then you'll have to scroll down all the way, and you'll have to tap on privacy and security. Now, on this page, you'll have to tap on tracking, and right here you'll be able to find some options. Now make sure that the most important option is the first one, that is allow apps to request a track. You'll have to it says allow apps to ask to track your activity across other companies apps and websites. When it's turned off, all new apps tracking requests are automatically denied. So all you'll have to do is to turn this option off, and any app will not ask you for tracking, and you'll be able to you have successfully turned off tracking on all the apps. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button because it really supports the channel. And if you got stuck anywhere, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out.